Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Asma's Botany. Okay, today we will discuss about the third type of intragenic type gene interactions. Okay, I have already discussed about the two. First is the incomplete dominance and second is the codominance. And today the topic is the lethal genes. Okay, so it is also a type of intragenic type gene interaction, means between the two alleles of a single gene. Okay, so lethal genes. Lethal means harmful. So these genes are harmful. Why? Because they causes death at an early stage, of development, often before birth, and so some genotypes may not appear among the progeny because they are harmful. So they causes death, and so because of this, some genotypes may not appear among the progenies. So we will understand it by the examples. Okay, and for the lethal genes, it is the most important thing is that the two alleles are present in the homozygous state. Okay, homozygous means both the alleles are of similar type. Either both the alleles are dominant, or both the alleles are recessive. Okay, heterozygous condition not causes the lethal genes or harmful or death. Okay, so first is either the dominant lethal or the recessive lethal. In the dominant lethal, when both the alleles are dominant type. Okay, and recessive lethal when both the alleles are recessive. So dominant lethal example is seen in the skin color in mice, and we will understand it by the cross. Okay, and thalassemia in humans is the example of recessive lethal genes, or we will see it is also. Okay, okay, so this is the example of the dominant lethal genes and the recessive lethal genes. Okay, so first is the dominant lethal genes example. Okay, dominant lethal genes. It is seen in the skin color in mice. Okay, so the mice either have the yellow color skin, which represented by this dominant capital Y allele, and the brown color allele, which is represented by the recessive small y allele. Okay, so dominant lethal genes means what? When both the dominant alleles which are present together in the homozygous state, then it causes the lethal genes or the death. So here, if this stage is present when both the genes are dominant, this is the homozygous condition, dominant homozygous, then this mice die in the early stages of the development. Okay, because these are the homozygous state and the lethal genes are called. Okay, so always yellow mice are heterozygous. So these mice are dead. This causes the phenotype of the yellow, but these are dead. So we cannot count this genotype. So the genotype is lost of this type because of this dominant lethal genes. Okay, so the yellow mice are always heterozygous. Okay, remember it. Then when we do the cross between these two heterozygous yellow mice, then form the gametes, and after this the Punnett square or checkerboard, you can see here three types of present genotype. So here this dominant genotype is mice dead. Okay, but this two live and this also live. So the phenotypic ratio is 2:1, 2 yellow mice and 1 brown mice, and the genotypic ratio is this and this, heterozygous yellow and this homozygous brown. Okay, so this cannot die because this is a homozygous condition, but this is a recessive condition. Okay, so it is died, so we cannot count this in this. So the genotypic or phenotypic ratio is deviate from 1:2:1. It is 2:1 because this mice died. The second example is of recessive lethal genes. The example is the thalassemia in humans. You know the thalassemia. Thalassemia is a genetic blood disorder disease in which the abnormal hemoglobin is formed. Abnormal hemoglobin means the hemoglobin which have the less oxygen carrying capacity. So because of this less oxygen carrying capacity, the RBC cells cannot gain the enough oxygen. So the RBC cells are died, they are destructed. So because of this, the blood loss, the anemia is developed. So this is the thalassemia in humans. It is a genetic disease. So here two types of alleles are present. First is the hemoglobin normal, which is dominant, and second is the hemoglobin thalassemic hemoglobin, which is recessive. Okay, and this is the recessive lethal genes because so in the recessive stage, when the two alleles are present in the recessive stage, homozygous stage, then the progeny is dead. Okay, so here you can see, here is a both the alleles are recessive type, thalassemia hemoglobin. Okay, so they died in the early stages of the development, and this is also called as the thalassemia major. Okay, then if we take the parents, then both the parents are heterozygous. Okay, heterozygous means they are also known as the thalassemia carrier or the thalassemia minor. Okay, so we form the gametes, and after the gametes you can see in the checkerboard, this phenotype is the normal, this is normal but carrier, and it is also known as the thalassemia minor. Okay, thalassemia minor. So, and here it is also same, and this type, when the recessive alleles, thalassemia hemoglobin and thalassemia hemoglobin are present in the recessive in the homozygous state, then a person is died with thalassemia major. But this carrier is not died. Okay, so we can also know the example of the film star Amitabh Bachchan and the Amisha Patel, which are suffering from this thalassemic minor disease, in which they are carrier. Only one allele of this thalassemia hemoglobin is present in the heterozygous. So they are the carrier, but they are living their life actively and easily. So because the first thing they have to take, the first precaution, the one precaution, that he have not married with the thalassemic minor person, female. Okay, Amitabh Bachchan. So they are living a normal life. Okay, so because of this carrier, if we talk that if the condition is present, then the thalassemia minor and thalassemia minor crossed, then what happened? Then in this time, the situation have the chances of the death of the progenies. In 3 conditions, the progenies are not died, but in only one condition, the progeny is dead. So it is depends upon the chances. Okay, because it is the genetic. Okay, and in the phenotype, you can say the phenotype is 1:2, because the recessive character is not present, is dead. the homozygous recessive. So, and the genotype is also deviate. So it is deviation. So it is because of the lethal genes, which is a type of intragenic interactions. Okay, I hope you understand, and stay tuned for the next videos. And if you like the video, press the like button and share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Asma's Botany and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you.